really random video for you guys. About 2 weeks ago, I decided to go back to dark hair, as you guys can see. And I know that I just uploaded a video where I showed how to refresh old highlights, but that video is literally from August, and I just never got around to editing and uploading it because I was traveling so much this summer and into the fall. That's why this is kind of like, okay, so you just refresh your highlights, now your hair is dark again? Well, that video is from months ago. Yeah, I just decided to go back to dark hair. It's been about almost 2 years that I've had my highlights in, and my highlights meant a lot to me, but it was just like really overgrown and I wasn't feeling like the whole ombre look, so I just went back to dark hair. Now, it does look very dark. I actually did not dye it black, as you guys will see in the video. I dyed it a dark ash brown. And I bought this hair dye in the Dominican Republic while I was there. So then I kind of made my decision to go back to dark hair because I just really wanted to go back to my roots. Also, like when it came to makeup and even certain outfits, I would always find that my hair would kind of clash. Yeah, I just decided to go back to my dark hair. It's my natural hair color. I don't have to touch it up. I don't have to refresh it. You know what I mean? It's just so much more low maintenance and easier. If you guys have been watching me for a while, you guys know that I like to be low maintenance with my hair. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I will apologize. I literally last minute decided to record myself coloring my hair. So I did film it on my iPhone. Forgot to tilt my iPhone. So it's gonna be like a really narrow screen, but I figured like, what the heck, you know, like I feel like sharing this. It was recorded in my bathroom. My siblings are probably gonna show up in the background somewhere. Hope you guys like it. I hope I don't look too boring now. I know that my curls are kind of harder to see. Like I said, I bought this hair dye in the Dominican Republic. You guys will see the packaging is in Spanish. I'm not even sure if that specific like color is here. I mean, the brand I believe is Excellence by L'Oreal, but it's obviously different packaging because I bought it in DR. So without further ado, here is my hair color.
Okay guys, so this is the hair color I'm going to be using today. It is shade 410 by Excellence from L'Oreal, which is a dark ash brown. So I'm going to start off with unwashed hair. My hair is about like 3 or 4 days old. I'm just going to shake up the product and then begin to put the gloves on. This is super, super important. You never want to apply hair dye without the gloves. And you always want to dye your hair on dirty hair so that the oils on your scalp can protect your hair. So I'm going to start from the ends. I sectioned my hair into 4 sections, and I'm going to start applying the color at the ends where the majority of my highlights are, and just begin to saturate my hair with the color and just massage it into the hair and really get it into those strands. Now I'm going to start on the other section and continue the exact same process. I'm going to start with the ends first, and then I'm going to move on to the roots after. Some instructions will tell you to start with the roots first, but I wanted to start with the ends first because it is to cover up my highlights. And the smell is really, really strong on this hair dye. But anyways, it's pretty self-explanatory. Just, I'm going to keep going through all the sections until it's fully saturated. You know what I mean? Now I'm going to go back to the other section and then combine them and then continue to massage in more of the hair dye. I only used 1 box of hair dye, by the way. Now I'm going to move on to my roots and start to apply it on my hairline and blend that in. I'm going to pat that in and apply some more hair dye onto the palms of my hand. And then continue to add more of the dye onto my ends and on my scalp now. Your hair should be completely saturated with the hair dye. If you have longer hair than I do or thicker hair, then you want to get 2 boxes because you really want to make sure that your hair is completely covered in the hair dye. And you want to use every single last drop of hair dye. Now I'm just going to put my hair in a bun and with a clip it up to secure it. I'm going to take the gloves off and I'm going to put a shower cap so that the color can process a little bit faster.
I'm going to zoom in and show you guys my hair. So this is what it looks like now. My new hair. I hope you guys like the new change and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like and leave me a comment. I will respond to you and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye!